Given the popularity of the superhero genre, landing a comic book role is a dream for many actors out there. Plenty of our favorite Marvel stars have gotten super ripped for their roles, including Chris Pratt, Brie Larson, and Paul Rudd. Chris Hemsworth is one of the most jacked members of the Avengers, recently detailing how he got so massive for Thor, Love and Thunder. And he also explained why it was so hard. Chris Hemsworth is known for bringing a hulking physicality to his roles, especially in action franchises like Thor and Netflix's Extraction. The set photos from the upcoming Marvel movie Love and Thunder showed off his insane biceps, and it sounds like he really worked for that appearance. As he explained to Extra, he actually got bigger than any of his previous appearances in the MCU. Hemsworth shared. This was particularly hard because the target weight we aimed for was quite a ways above where I'd been before. This was probably the biggest and fittest I've ever been. We had 12 months where I was at home just training and puppeteering the body and manipulating. We'd try more swimming, then try more martial arts, and adjust calories. It was a really fun exploration. I got really big and fit, but then just had to hold it for 4 months, which was very hard. Talk about hard work. Those of us watching Thor, Love and Thunder in theaters next month shouldn't feel too bad or compare ourselves to how Chris Hemsworth looks in the movie. Namely because he had over a year of work, diet, and professional assistants to help him get into superhero shape. In short, he didn't wake up like this. Chris Hemsworth's comments come as he's promoting his new Netflix movie Spider-Head. Eventually the conversation turned to his time in the MCU, especially with Thor, Love and Thunder coming to theaters so soon. And while he'll start the movie at Bro Thor's weight, Taika Waititi's blockbuster will see him transform into the most fit version of the beloved hero yet. Today's best Disney Plus deals. Opens in new tab. Disney Plus monthly. Opens in new tab. $7.99. /month. Opens in new tab. View, opens in new tab. At Disney Plus, opens in new tab. Opens in new tab. Disney Plus yearly. Opens in new tab. $79.99. /year. Opens in new tab. View, opens in new tab. At Disney Plus, opens in new tab. While getting in shape is one thing, Chris Hemsworth had to maintain that level of fitness for an extra 4 months while Thor, Love and Thunder was being filmed. As he mentions, This was perhaps one of the most difficult parts of getting so swole. This is a sentiment that's been echoed by other superhero actors like Black Adam's Dwayne Johnson. Both actors are known for being massive, but staying and consistent during filming provides a unique challenge. Luckily for fans, we'll be able to see those efforts pay off shortly, as Thor: Love and Thunder is hitting theaters in just a few weeks. The movie has a ton of anticipation behind it, thanks to the inclusion of Natalie Portman's mighty Thor and fan-favorite heroes the Guardians of the Galaxy. Plus Chris Hemsworth is going to be able to show off his efforts at the gym with a nifty nude scene. Thor: Love and Thunder will hit theaters on July 8th. In the meantime, check out the 2022 movie release dates to plan your next movie experience.